This is why you need to hit subscribe. Deliciousness awaits. Today, we're serving up some of the tastiest, easiest to make recipes you'll ever try. From savory dinners to sweet treats, we've got everything to satisfy your cravings. But don't just take our word for it. Join the Culinary Recipe Creations community and see for yourself. Make sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on our drool-worthy dishes. Like this video if you're hungry for more and leave a comment below. We love hearing from you. And of course, don't forget to share with your fellow foodies and hit the notification bell for your daily dose of deliciousness. Thanks so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed our foodie recipe tutorial. Let us know what you think in the comments below. We hope to see you back here very soon. Take care and see you in the next video.
Exposing the secret to a truly opulent dish. Get ready to wow your guests. Today, we're making pan-seared foie gras with white truffle honey glaze and candied violets. This dish is as fancy as it sounds, but don't worry, I've got you covered. First, let's candy those violets. In a saucepan, combine half a cup of sugar and a quarter cup of water. Heat until the sugar dissolves. Then toss in those fresh violets. Cook for 2-3 minutes until they're beautifully translucent. Cool them on parchment paper. Next, pat your foie gras dry and season with salt and pepper. Sear in a hot pan for 2-3 minutes per side. Golden brown, crispy outside, slightly pink inside. Perfection. Now, deglaze the pan with some high-quality brandy. Simmer, then whisk in that luxurious white truffle honey. To plate, place your foie gras, drizzle with the honey glaze, and top with those stunning candied violets. And there you have it. A decadent dish that's as beautiful as it is delicious. Subscribe to the Culinary Recipe Creations channel for more luxurious recipes.
Curious about becoming a kitchen wizard? You're in the right spot. Welcome to Culinary Recipe Creations. We're your go-to spot for mouth-watering recipes that'll make your taste buds dance. From quick snacks to gourmet dinners, we've got it all. New to cooking? No worries. Our step-by-step tutorials are perfect for beginners and seasoned chefs alike. Ready to level up your cooking game? Hit that subscribe button and join our foodie family. Like what you see? Give us a thumbs up, drop a comment, and don't forget to share with your friends. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you never miss a delicious update. Thanks so much for watching. We hope to see you soon. Bye for now and take care.